Matt,
Yeah.
do a dance.
Do a dance.
We like it when you dance. It's funny.
No, because I know exactly what she wants to do. He's filming it. It's going on YouTube. It ain't fucking happening.
No, it's not.
He's filming it because he's got the camera pointing right at me.
No, you ain't, you idiot. He's there doing it.
What's that then? What's that?
Who's catching my mum?
Yasmin? I ain't no stupid.
Surely you didn't text Mum.
Yeah, because if he was texting somebody, he'd go on there.
Oh, it's funny. Go on.